Good now, Shabbos, and welcome to BJC Mitzvah Day number 233, part 6. Using the Sefer Chinuch Mitzvah Day keeps your soul on its way. And we're continuing with the mitzvah entitled The Prohibition to Pervert Justice. And it's found in the third book, Parsha Kedoshim. Here we go. The Chinuch notes that even in a case where a ruling inconsistent with Torah law takes effect, the judge would not be liable to Malchus. Now, there in Sanhedrin, it is explained that there are scenarios where if the judge issued a ruling that is contrary to correct Torah law, his ruling does retain legal standing. Thus, the litigant who had previously won the case need not return the money that he was awarded. Rather, the erring judge must reimburse the other litigant to whom he caused injustice from his own property out of his own pocket. Even in such a case where the judge's ruling did affect a perversion of justice, for his ruling stands, he would not be liable to Malchus, lashes, if he ruled so deliberately. And even if he performed an action in line with his ruling, for example, if he seized the item in question from the litigant whom he ruled liable and handed it to the other litigant, in which case he violated this mitzvah with an action, he would nevertheless not incur Malchus, lashes. As per the established rule in Makos, that one does not incur Malchus for any mitzvah prohibition that is subject to repayment. Right, that's what he said. Since the judge whose incorrect ruling takes effect must compensate the litigant, his transgression is subject to repayment, and he does not incur Malchus. Very interesting. Thanks for listening. We will continue. It is our Shabbos, so I'll have to continue. To sponsor BJC Mitzvah, 36 100 for the gold. Happy Shabbos.